Hello everyone, my name is Akansha Srivastava. Today I'm going to explain you the topic inventory control and production and operation management. So first, it is important to understand what is inventory. So inventory is a kind of raw material, is a combination of raw material, finished goods, semi-finished goods, which ultimately leads to a good delivery to the customer. It means inventory holds these three things, means raw material, semi-finished goods and finished goods, which is available for the further sale. Now it is very important to understand what is inventory management. It is the process of ordering, storing, using and selling a company's raw material, component and finished goods. Now, if we talk about the inventory, it is refers to the all goods and material that a company keep on hand for a various purpose such as selling, manufacturing and operational need. It includes, as I earlier said, it includes everything from raw material and work in progress item to finished product awaiting for sale and shipment. So now comes to our topic inventory control, which comes under inventory management. Inventory control is a systematic system which indicate as to what to order, when to order, and how much to order, and how much to stock, so that purchasing cost and storing cost are kept as low as possible. It also ensures that the right amount of stock is maintained to meet customer demand without delay. Effective inventory control helps minimize cost and maximize profit. Ultimate objective of inventory control is minimize the cost and maximize the profit by using optimum utilization of resources. Now, objective of inventory control ensure helps to ensure a continuous supply of raw material to facilitate uninterrupted production. Maintain sufficient stock to meet anticipated demand. If we have a regular check on inventory control or inventory or evaluate our inventory, it is ultimate helps to meet customer demand by delivering the product at right time, at right place, to the right customer. It is also minimize carrying cost and reduce storage space. Means inventory control lead to reduce storage space by overstocking the inventory. Next point is prevent overstocking and understocking. It means, what is overstocking? Overstocking is excess amount of inventory and understocking is less amount of inventory. Means the inventory we need for the further production is less, it's called understocking. And if we have a abundant amount of inventory which are get wasted and doesn't use for any kind of production, is called overstocking. Is also enhance the customer satisfaction through timely delivery, just like Amazon use the best technique of inventory control by using Prime membership, by using 1 day delivery, 2 day delivery, because customer need their product as early as possible. So these kind of practices done only by using best inventory control technique. Now, types of inventory, basically there are three kind of inventory: raw material, basic material used for further production, work in progress, item that are in the production process or are in transformation process. Third is finished goods. It means completed product which are ready for the sale are called finished goods. Last one is MRO, maintenance, repair and operations. Basically, they are the supplier used in production but not the part of final product. Means it is used for the production but not it is not the final product. It is a connected as connected for the transformation process, with the transformation process, sorry. Now next point is inventory control technique, extremely important topic in the inventory control. There are certain kinds of technique which used for controlling the inventory. First is EOQ. EOQ is a basically a formula based technique which determine the optimum in order quantity that minimize total inventory cost. The formula of EOQ is under root 2 into A into C upon CO upon CC. CO stands for ordering cost, CC stands for carrying cost. This technique basically is an umbrella technique which, or apex technique, which used for optimizing total inventory as a whole, or optimizing inventory as a whole. Means it believe, this technique believe that the production manager should keep a minimum stock with themselves to fulfill the order in a right time. Now next is JIT, means just in time technique, inventory system where material are only ordered and received as needed in the production process. The best example of JIT technique is customization product or customized product, where where the shopkeeper or the production manager need or order their raw material according to the need of the customer, according to the demand of in the market. And this technique believes that order should be kept only when it needed. Inventory should be kept only when it needed. Overstocking, this technique doesn't support overstocking. This technique only support that optimum utilization of resources. This means use your resources wisely. Now another technique is ABC techniques, means this technique basically a categorization technique or categorization method that divide items into three categories based on their importance. Means A category technique, A category analysis has very high priority product, B and a category required moderate priority product, and C category require or attain the product which are not high priority, which are not needed certain kind of security and safety. So when we categorize the product or we categorize the inventory according to their importance is called ABC analysis. And last one is safety stock, means extra inventory held to prevent stock outs due to demand variability and lead time. Means extra stock means, or safety stock means the stock which called as an emergency stock, which are needed as a time of emergency or a urgent order, or the manager should complete order in less period of time. Then this kind of emergency is very useful. Like in our home also, our mummies kept a certain kind of inventory with themselves which used for any kind of emergency. So benefits of inventory control is to reduce carrying cost or reduce the cost and increase the profitability. It also helps to improve the cash flow by reducing excess stock. It enhances the customer satisfaction by ensuring product availability. It also increases the efficiency in the inventory management process and support better decision making through accurate data inventory, accurate inventory data. It means it overall inventory control aims two things. First is reduce cost, which ultimately lead to higher profit, by which we can retain our customer base very strong and helps to make better decisions in the future to retain our customer and complete or fulfill our organizational goal. Challenges in inventory control. First is demand forecasting, very difficult to determine or predict the customer preferences. Second one is supply chain disruption. It is very obvious that for a long period of time, it is very difficult to maintain the good relationship with the supplier and maintain the good supplier which supply our raw material timely. So it is major issue with this inventory control technique or method. Inventory visibility means there is a lack of real-time data which leads to insufficiency, and balancing cost means it is very difficult to balance ordering cost and carrying cost at a particular point of time. Thank you. I hope this slide make you understand what is inventory and the techniques, which is extremely important for the further studies like EOQ, JIT, just in time, Japanese based technique. I will sum up this slide by explaining these lines that effective inventory control is essential for the success of any business. By implementing the right strategy and technique, business can minimize cost, maximize profit, and ensure customer satisfaction. Basically, inventory control helps a manager or an inventory to reduce cost, maximize profit, which ultimately leads to customer satisfaction. Thank you.